Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. And today we have a holiday craft. Today we're going to be making this awesome homespun hand-tied Valentine garland. Now I've chosen Valentine colors today, but you can make this garland out of any colors that you like to match your home decor or for any upcoming holiday that you want to celebrate, just to give your home a little more festive flair. So let's go see how we make this beautiful and easy hand-tied holiday garland. Today we're going to do a little something different. It's not paper crafting and it's not making a recipe. Today we're going to do just some plain old crafting. We're going to do some home decor and we're going to make a homespun Valentine garland, and I'm going to be able to hang this across my my jar wall, and it's just going to be cute and fun, and it's a little bit festive, but it doesn't like scream Valentine's Day, but it's going to be really cute. And this is really simple. You can do this with whatever kind of scrap fabric you have. I started off with fat quarters, and if you don't know what those are, if you go to the fabric store, you'll see them. They're like folded up little squares of fabric, and the reason they're called a fat quarter is because they're a little bit larger than a quarter of a yard. So what we start off with is I have some of this jute rope. It's like twine, really. It's thick, and you want that thickness so that you can tie off your garland on it. So what I did was I measured my span and I tied off the ends so that there was a loop so I could hang it with some thumbtacks. And I cut my fat quarters in about 1-inch strips and I just ripped them apart. When you rip fabric, especially this woven cotton fabric, it rips extremely straight and it's just a lot quicker to do, and then you just trim off like the frizzy parts. Super easy. So you can make this any color. You can make these fatter if you want. You make them skinnier if you want, but remember, the skinnier you get, the harder it is for them to tear. So you can always also just cut them with a scissor. It's up to you. But I also have some coordinating ribbon in red, pink, purple, and white. And this is how hard this is. You're going to take a strip of your fabric and you're going to tie it around your jute twine. Give it a tug and then just push it close to the last one you put on there. Now you want the pretty side out, so make sure that that's down when you tie it. Give it a tie and give it a push. That's pretty easy. Now if you want, you can go ahead and add some ribbon in here while you're doing that. And then the ribbon I've cut a little bit longer, so you're going to have some depth and some texture in there because we've used cotton fabric, but I've used satin ribbon. So you're just going to continue on until you've tied off the entire piece of twine that will cover your entire span for your garland, and then you're going to be able to hang it up and enjoy it, and it's going to be really, really cute. Now, I have cut my strips approximately 1 inch wide, and they are about 4 inches long. So you can make them as long as you like, but remember, the longer you make them, it's going to be more like a bunting, and it's going to be very droopy, and it's going to look more like a tassel garland than anything. This is just going to be a cute little hand-tied homespun garland, and when I'm just going to continue on tying this off, and then I'll bring you back and I'll show you what it looks like all hung up. Well, there you have it. Our garland is all finished. I love this homespun garland. My dad used to own a little country kind of gift shop, and these things always used to go like hotcakes. You make them for all different occasions. You can make them to match your home decor, your everyday decor. You can make them for holidays, and today we've made one that's somewhat Valentine-esque. With some scrap fabric or fat quarters and a little bit of twine and a little bit of time. Really, this didn't take me but like an hour and a half to tie everything off, and I was doing other things in between too. And keep in mind, you can make this a lot fuller than I did. I just made it, single, but you can twist them and kind of push them all the way around so it's like a spiral as well. Those do take a little bit more material, but you know, you get it the way you want it, and that's how you'll get it perfect for you. I love the way this looks. I love the ribbons on it. I just love the whole aesthetic of this. Like I said, you can do this for any holiday. These are great to make for those lesser holidays like Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter.
Arbor Day.
Arbor Day. Okay, yay Arbor Day. But you know what I'm saying, this is also a great gift. You can make these for your friends. They cost very little to throw together. And if you have like bins of scrap fabric, or if you're a quilter, you can always make these to coordinate with another project that maybe you've made for someone as a gift. These are always great and appreciated as a home decor item. So that is how you make a simple hand-tied homespun garland for Valentine's Day or anytime. I hope you give it a try. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And as always, if you are new to my kitchen, welcome. It's always a pleasure to welcome new friends in. Please be sure and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and go down and hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give making a hand-tied homespun garland a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya!